going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Oh, I'll just leave at least one light on. Can't even see me now. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another episode of West Coast Bassin'. We are currently in Yuba City. I am picking up one of my friends, and we're headed up to Bullards Bar. We've never filmed there, and it is the home of now the third year in a row, coming into the fourth year if we can break it, world record spotted bass. I'm sure most of you guys have heard about the changing world records, so stay tuned. Good one? See, I told you there was something down there. No kidding. I'm saying the water's 51 degrees. Maybe they're biting on the jigs today. I just couldn't believe that guy took one cast. Yeah, and it's weird because it goes from like a kind of like a gravelly mud to big rock, all the way back into that kind of gravel again. I just got thumped. Yeah, I think he's got it too. Oh, no way! I think it was coming at the boat. Like, inhale them. Oh. Oh, yeah. He's not very big, but god damn, dude. I was pulling it and he went dunk and just stopped it. Yep. I mean, like right up in there. I mean, dude, look at this. He literally went dunk, and that's what he did. Yeah. Thanks, dude. Damn. That was the most aggressive bite on the shaky head I think I've gotten in a long time. Let me get a few under my belt right now. Get my confidence back. I've never had confidence in this fucking tree right there. Shit, that's usually how many I catch at this lake. I'll be done for the day. No, I just broke one off. Damn it. Oh. That was a clean cut. Look at that front shoreline in the sun. Try and get out of the wind a little bit. I'm down to trying there too. open? I don't know. Fuck is fin J1 open? Huh. Well, I'm up on the front. I'm gonna fucking see if I can get some, do some research on it. I got service right here. I think they're a little out deeper than what I'm sitting in right now. How far out off the shore were you? See, and Paige wonders why I got so stressed out after I bought that second 12. That's exactly why right there. I knew something was bound to fucking happen. It was a matter of time before something started failing. It's around that hour mark where small things start happening. That's like part of me is like, man, I wish the motor would just run so I could, or well, not run, not throw a coat, so I could run back to the marina, fish around in there, and then put it on the trailer. We will catch like a 6 or 7 pounder. Just don't understand the fucking. Paige said she was reading about that code. Everyone says it's injectors. There's an injector that's going bad, or there's an injector that's got a bad wire. Alright guys, so it is actually the next day, 10 o'clock in the morning. I really didn't want to film an outro yesterday. I was pretty upset. The reason that the video is going to be, or the video was so choppy, put the boat in yesterday and fishing was not bad at all. It was still slow, but the boat was acting a little funny. It's been developing kind of a skip, is what I call it. It'll idle pretty normal for a minute, and then you'll feel it kind of like almost it skips. It's kind of a hesitant, and then it just continues on. It's fine. Ran great the last few times I've taken it out, and the boat would wind out, would go over 70. It was no big deal. And yesterday I took one of my friends out in the new boat for the first time. It was smoked quite a bit on the first startup, which it's been doing that. Every now and then it'll puff a little smoke. The last time we pulled it off the water, it was smoking pretty bad, and I didn't know if it was because it started to get hot. The water pump that we had was starting to go bad. Gaskets underneath had actually warped, so it wasn't, if you weren't under power or underway, it wouldn't pump water. It wouldn't have as great a pressure pumping the water, but it pumped water great this time. The one that we put in, it took us a while to get the right parts we needed, because we actually got sent the wrong stuff. We ordered it off Amazon through the right part number. Picture was correct. It came in with a metal gasket instead of the gasket material, and it obviously wasn't the correct stuff. So I was more worried about that than going fishing, and we had actually planned on going to Clear Lake, except now we had a high wind advisory, so we decided to stay away from there, which is good, because the breakdown that we had, we were able to run to the first spot. It wouldn't wind out. It was really sluggish getting on pad, and then the very next time we started it up to run, we ran, got set down, and you may even be able to see it on the video, or maybe able to hear it. The buzzer was going off, and one of the injectors got stuck open, so we pulled the cowling off, shut the motor down, fished for about an hour, and fired the motor back up after unplugging some stuff and plugging it back in, seeing if maybe just a connection had come loose, and it worked. Ran across the actual part of the lake that we were in, and went to start graphing the side of a point, and it came back. This time it didn't go away. So shut the motor down for the rest of the day until we put it on the trailer, and when we put it on the trailer, it was running really rough. It still runs. It's basically the cylinder is shutting itself down for Guardian mode. So it'll take us a while for us to get into a shop, especially with as warm as it's been out here in California. Boat shops are about a week, maybe more out. So this coming weekend, we're gonna bring you guys along out into Idaho. We're going to Boise to visit some family, and hopefully we'll be able to get some content out there, because right now the boat will be down. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you liked it, if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. We appreciate you guys supporting us. We hope that you subscribe. We'll see you guys soon.